Yadav,
Yes, sir.
call for a lady constable over here.
Okay, sir.
Make a detailed report and send the body for post-mortem.
Yes, sir.
And yes, inform the forensics team.
Okay, sir. Hello. Please sit.
So you made the call.
Yes, sir. I called you.
Who are you?
Sir, I am her husband. And he is my father. And she is my mother.
How did this happen?
Sir, I really don't know anything.
What do you mean to say?
Sir, I had gone for jogging with my friend Virat in the morning itself. And when I got back, I saw that the door was open. First, I got mad at Sangeeta. But as I entered the house, and I saw that.
Weren't you two at home?
We don't stay here along with them. We just stay a couple of blocks away from them.
Why don't you stay together?
My son and daughter-in-law wanted to stay separately. So we shifted for their happiness. But we didn't knew that something like this could happen.
Anyways, you have to come to the police station for your statement. After the post-mortem is done, you can claim the body for the funeral. Mr. Hari Prasad, please tell me something. What is the distance between you and your son's house?
Sir, I think around 200 meters.
And when did you come to know that your daughter-in-law was murdered?
Sir, just few minutes before the police arrived. Few minutes back. Well, my son called me and he told me.
Okay. Alright, tell me something. How were things between you and your daughter-in-law?
We had a very good relation. We used to love her very much.
Did your daughter-in-law love you as well?
Sir, does this thing really matters?
So why did you stay separately and not with your son?
Sir, you already know. Nowadays, children like to have an independent life. But our daughter-in-law didn't like to stay with us. So we lived separately.
So is it that because of this reason you might have killed your own daughter-in-law?
Huh?
What are you saying, sir? Why would we murder her? Sir, she was my son's wife.
Anyways, let me inform you that whenever we call you, you have to come to the police station.
Okay. Thank you.
Dinesh,
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Did you call me?
Okay, now tell me, do you have doubt on someone? Or you had enmity with someone?
No, sir. I have no enmity with anyone. Nor I have someone to doubt on.
Think carefully and tell me, that day or few days before that, did someone come over to your house? Any person who you thought was fishy?
Yes, sir. Actually, that day when I had gone out for jogging, I got a call from Sangeeta. Hello.
Om, two people have come home and they are saying that they are plumbers. Have you called them to get the tap in the washroom fixed?
What rubbish are you talking? I haven't sent any plumber.
What?
Now don't entertain them much.
Okay.
Close the door.
Yes.
Sir, definitely they are behind the murder of Sangeeta.
Whoever it is, but he won't be safe for too long. We have started our investigation. And for now, you can go. And whenever we call you, you have to come to the police station. So please cooperate.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, we definitely went there, but we did not commit any murder. I'm telling the truth.
When the tap was perfectly fine and they didn't even call you, then why did you two even go there?
Sir, I don't know if the tap was working or not, but someone had called us there to get the tap fixed. And the madam over there,
Madam, I didn't understand anything.
that madam was behaving strangely.
What happened yesterday? Tell me in detail.
Sir, yesterday when we went there,
The place where we went
Yes,
yesterday,
really.
that was very strange.
that was really
isn't it?
strange. Yes, of course.
Yes, yes.
I didn't understand anything.
Yes, of course. Exactly.
Anyone home?
Yes?
Madam, I'm the plumber.
Sir has called us to get the washroom tap fixed.
Plumber?
Yes, ma'am.
But the tap in our washroom is working perfectly fine. There is no problem. Wait a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello? Oh, two people have come home and they are saying that they are plumbers. Have you called them to get the tap in the washroom fixed?
No, not at all. Don't entertain them and close the door.
Okay. Actually, there is no one at home right now. Can you please come later
Fine.
if
Okay,
possible?
ma'am.
Hmm?
Okay, no problem. What the hell is this? Come, let's go.
But sir, we didn't understand that if the tap was working perfectly, then why did they call us?
Really, who called you?
One gentleman called us, sir.
Jadav.
Yes, sir.
Yes, he was the one. He was the one,
Yes, sir.
sir.
He's the one who called
Yes.
you.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, you can go for now. But you can't go outside the town. We might call you back anytime to get your statement registered.
Okay, sir.
okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay,
No
yeah.
problem. No issue, sir. Thank you so much.
Hmm. Yadav,
Yes, sir.
look for Om's phone location
Okay, sir.
at the time of murder.
Sir. Sir. Sir, Sangeeta's post-mortem and forensics reports have arrived. The cause of death is due to the lack of blood in the body from the cut in her hand. And sir, according to the forensic report, the knife which was used to cut Sangeeta's wrist, it has no sort of fingerprints over it, sir.
Yadav,
Yes, sir.
there's something I don't understand. If those plumbers had murdered Sangeeta, then it must have been obvious that Sangeeta might have struggled to save herself, and during that struggle, she must get some bruises on her body.
Yes.
But that's the surprising thing, because she has no scratch over her body. And why would even those plumbers kill Sangeeta? If they had an intention of robbing the house should have been messed up, but everything in Om's house is in its place.
Sir, it may be possible that Sangeeta's family is lying to us.
That may be true. Anyways, tell me something. What is the name of Om's friend? The one with whom he went for jogging?
Virat.
Virat. Okay, do one thing. Bring him to the police station.
Okay, sir.
Virat, tell me something. Did you go for jogging with Om yesterday?
Yes, sir. Just like every day, I went for jogging with Om.
From what time till what time were you along with him?
Sir, I was with him from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. because after that I had to take my mom to the hospital for her checkup. And Om continued his jogging.
So while jogging, did Om's wife called him on his phone?
Yes, sir, of course. And he was talking very loudly on the phone.
What was he saying?
Sir, he was saying that I did not call any plumber and you just closed the door.
Okay, tell me, did you find something strange in Om's behavior yesterday?
No, sir, I don't remember.
Try to remember if you felt anything strange.
Yes, sir, there is something I felt strange. Yesterday I didn't want to go for jogging because I had to go to hospital with my mom. But Om was calling me again and again saying that at least come for jogging for some time.
Hey, hello Virat.
Yes.
I'm standing outside your house.
Actually, Om, I can't come today. I have to take my mom to the hospital.
At least come for a while. I'm standing outside your house.
Okay, fine. I'll come.
Come fast.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let's go.
Yes.
We are late.
Fine. You can go for now.
Okay.
Sir, Om's call details have come. There is no number in the list on whom we can doubt. Sir, according to the post-mortem report, Sangita's time of death was around 8:30 and 9. And sir, the surprising thing is, the time when Sangita was murdered, that time Om's location of his phone was at his home itself.
Mr. Om, you have already said enough and you have lied a lot to the police. Now tell me, what is the truth?
But sir, I did not do.
I told you, tell me the truth. We have proof against you that you murdered your wife. Tell me, how did you kill your wife?
Sir, I am telling the truth. Why would I even kill my wife?
Do you think we are a fool? Yadav,
Yes, sir.
take him inside and give him third degree.
Okay, sir.
He will answer everything.
Hey, get up. Sir, sir, please wait. I will tell you everything. I will tell you the whole truth.
What are you doing in the kitchen? Actually, I was. How many times have I told you? Whenever you need something, you should ask me for that. Look, you have messed up the kitchen so much. Just do one thing, go outside and sit. I will bring whatever you want. Hmm.